What is up, guys? It's Matthew again with Matthew's Fan Videos, and today got a ceiling fan video for you. Here is a Hunter. I don't know the specific model for this one. Ceiling fan. I also don't know how many inches this thing is either, but it is an old fan because you don't see these in stores and all that anymore. And as you can see, it is on a high ceiling, so I can't really reach the pole chains, which is why there's this thing right here. This one right here controls the light. I'll give you a quick demonstration here. Here's what it looks like with it off. You can actually see the fan better. And here it is on. And this one does another light, but this one is for the fan. So let's go ahead and turn it on. And yes, it is on reverse. So we'll go ahead and we'll start off with high. Unfortunately, it is stuck in reverse because the reverse switch is all the way up there, so I can't reach it. But it's always good to know in case if you want to reverse your fans in the wintertime to get the exhaust out of your house. It's actually pretty quiet too for a high speed, and it doesn't spin too fast. Here's medium. Wait a minute. Making a humming noise. Don't know if it's supposed to do that. Might even. Okay, that's slow, so we want to do medium. Hang on. Oh, that's high. About right here should be medium. That is a really loud motor. Not even gonna lie. Alright, let's turn it to low. I'll go ahead and turn off the light here so you guys can see it better. Okay, it actually is hard to see because the thing's all blurry. Let's see. What? Okay, it only does that if I turn on the light. So now you guys can see it better. Alright, let's go ahead and turn it off. Now for ceiling fans, just like industrial fans, these do take a while to spin down, so if you guys want to stay and watch the spin down, that's great. If not, you might as well go ahead and just click out of this video. This is a really bright light, so you guys may not be able to see the blade arms that well. Well, there you guys have it. That is the Hunter ceiling fan. Like I said, I don't know what specific model this is, but all I know is that it is a Hunter. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks again for watching, and I will go ahead and see you guys in the next video. Bye.